There's a specific type of person who wakes up on their birthday, looks at their phone flooded with notifications, and feels absolutely nothing. No excitement. No plans. Just another Tuesday. And here's what most people get wrong: it's not that they don't care. It's that their brain is wired differently than yours. A 2019 study from the Journal of Personality found that nearly 23% of adults actively avoid celebrating their birthday. But the reason why reveals something fascinating about how we construct identity, seek validation, and cope with the passage of time. Let's start with what happens inside the brain when most people approach their birthday. There's a neurochemical anticipation cycle. Your brain starts releasing dopamine days in advance, triggered by social expectation and learned reward patterns. You've been conditioned since childhood: birthday equals attention, cake, gifts, validation. It's Pavlovian. But for the people who treat it like nothing, that dopamine loop never forms. And it's not because they're depressed or cynical. Researchers at UCLA discovered something unexpected: people who downplay their birthdays often have what's called a low social comparison orientation. Their self-worth isn't tied to external validation. They don't need the yearly reminder that people care, because they've built internal systems of meaning that don't rely on calendar dates. But here's where it gets deeper. Dr. Elizabeth Dunn, a psychologist at the University of British Columbia, found that birthday indifference is strongly correlated with something called time perspective fluidity. These individuals don't see aging as a milestone-based narrative. Most of us mentally divide life into chapters marked by birthdays, anniversaries, New Year's. We use those dates to measure progress, success, or failure. But people who skip their birthday, they're living in what researchers call continuous time. Every day carries equal weight. There's no arbitrary marker that suddenly makes you older, wiser, or more accomplished. Now, there's a second group. And this one's more complicated. These aren't people who feel neutral about their birthday. They actively avoid it. Cancel plans. Don't mention it. Ignore the texts. And the psychology here is completely different. A 2021 study published in Psychological Science found that birthday avoidance often spikes during what researchers call liminal ages, ages that feel transitional or symbolic. 29. 39. 49. These are the birthdays where people suddenly feel the weight of unmet expectations. The career that didn't happen. The relationship that ended. The life they thought they'd be living by now. And instead of celebrating, they grieve. There's also a darker element at play: mortality salience. When you acknowledge your birthday, you're acknowledging you're 1 year closer to death. Terror management theory suggests that some people defensively suppress this awareness by treating the day like it doesn't exist. If you don't celebrate, you don't confront the clock. But here's what's strange: research shows that people who avoid their birthdays often report higher life satisfaction than those who overinvest in them. Why? Because they've stopped measuring their worth by arbitrary societal timelines. They've rejected the pressure to have it all figured out by a certain age. So what does it mean if you're someone who doesn't care about your birthday? It might mean you've built a psychological framework that doesn't need external validation to feel complete. Or it might mean you're quietly struggling with time, aging, and unmet expectations. The difference lies in whether you're indifferent or avoiding. One is freedom. The other is fear. And knowing which one you are changes everything.